What does that look like?
Well, it looks like Thanksgiving, but it's
It does
Christmas.
look like Thanksgiving.
We have a toasted marshmallow.
Don't know what that is over there.
Cranberry.
Spam.
What do we think that is?
I bet we're gonna taste it and test it.
Hey, you have done this before.
Well, it's a holiday dinner. Close your eyes.
What?
What?
It's a holiday in a can.
Hey!
Okay, candied yams, premium ham,
That explains that shape.
Does it?
cranberry sauce,
Oh, I'm excited to get that out of the can.
cream style
make it
golden
right.
corn, fried apples.
Have you tried any of these things before?
I am not ashamed to say I've tried 4 out of the 5.
It'll be like, you know, Depression era snack time. Time for canned corn in a bowl.
Oh.
You girls better scrub that floor till it shines like the top of the Chrysler building. That's what that makes me think of. It smells great. I'm not even kidding. It smells so good.
This is just
This
wrong.
does not look like cream corn that I've had. Honestly, it's not. I still really like that.
Tastes like golden.
Oh, candied yams, your favorite.
Yeah.
Ah! They jumped! They leapt from the can. 12 yams a leaping.
Bruce's candied yams. Cut sweet potatoes in kettled simmered syrup. The sweetheart of the yam.
I typically like mine mashed with a lot of brown sugar, a ton of butter.
Well, listen, I'm not gonna lie to you, I don't love a yam.
It's, you know what, I can work with this.
I actually like it.
These are all foods I would prefer to be hot.
There's some like syrup down there. I just want to taste the syrup.
Don't spill on my tablecloth.
Yeah, I think this, you could work with this. It's a really irregular shape of ham.
You getting that smell? You getting that
Oh, I
aroma?
just got the smell. I'm
Yeah.
not eating that.
Oh, the smell is so bad. It
smells like cat food.
No.
I'm just gonna slice this a little bit. Look
Oh
at that.
no! Oh no! Oh no!
Oh yeah, it's got a lot of texture
I
about
have
it.
to say, if I'm really going to try and be analytical about this,
Uh-huh.
I enjoy Spam, which is
Okay.
also canned ham.
What's the diff?
So many diffs.
I don't know if I'd know this came out of a can if it were sliced beautifully.
It smells just like cat food.
I swear that's what cat food tastes like.
Did you ever see National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation? Where they're doing the dry turkey situation and she's just like taking her bite and there's a flick.
Moving on.
All right, moving on. I actually like doing this.
What?
Like
Okay,
flip upside down.
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah,
you're a chef.
we do this in my house.
Do you have like a childhood affinity for the canned jelly?
Not necessarily. This might have been another Friendsgiving introduction.
Yeah, gravity. Do you hear the jiggle? The wiggle, the jiggle.
Oh, look at that fanciness on top.
Beautiful.
Oh. All right, well, listen, it slices well. It holds up.
Okay, I'm kind of scared of cranberry sauce because I don't think I like this. So,
I love it.
is it sour? Is it sweet?
It's tart. I really love it.
Listen, I think this was a triumph.
That was delicious.
Okay, great.
Lux Authentic Southern Taste Fried Apples, fat-free.
Fried in what?
Don't look right to me. They look soggy and like they've been boiled
Yeah.
or stewed.
Yeah, these are boiled apples.
Boiled apples.
All right.
I'm still not, I don't understand what fried means.
I don't really like cooked fruit to begin with.
It kind of disintegrates in your mouth. Like as soon as you start biting and chewing it, it's just gone. It just evaporates.
That's great.
You barely even chewed it. You didn't need to. You knew, didn't you?
I will say I'm a little bit surprised by the amount of crunch in it though. I feel like if
Me?
you were given a challenge of like elevating all of these things, that
Oh,
you
yeah.
would, you would master it.
I would love it. I mean, thank you. That's very
I
kind of
wouldn't.
you. I honestly, I'm inspired by all of these things because
Yeah.
I know what they're like in their raw form.
Right.
The key is to think about what does this flavor lend me. This would be a really fun Chop Champion basket.
I had a lot of fun with you today, eating this meal. I didn't think we could do it, but turns out we can.
I love that.
Thanks so much for watching this video. If you like it, give us a thumbs up and let us know in the comment section below what you want to see next time on Taste Test. See ya.